What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. I half lied to you guys because I said next video I'm gonna have a haircut, but that's coming later. Obviously I'm not gonna freaking film it, you know, I've done that once. Anyways, had quite the come up, I might add. I need to do my ball joint, right? The passenger side ball joint. So I was like, okay, if I gotta do the ball joint, that means the axle's gotta come out. In my experience with like AutoZone axles and whatever axles, however, this one is a reman that I got. Hopefully this one's not bad, but I found a brand new one, a new old stock one, in the box for $15 at Chuck and Eddie's. But they labeled this as the driver's side. So I was like, okay, I'll buy a driver's side and a passenger side. Bought the passenger side, and what I got was like an automatic Accord driver's side. So I got basically both of them were labeled wrong. This was labeled as a driver's side Prelude, and the other one was labeled as a passenger side Prelude. So I got the axle that I actually needed to change right here for $15. Brand new. Reman, whatever. USA Industries, whatever. I don't need the guide. But everything is mint. It's brand new. So for $15 at Chuck and Eddie's, which is a local pick and pull, but they have a parts department because they pull cars. This thing was probably sitting in the trunk of a Prelude at some point. Yeah, so awesome, great for me, right here. 95 Prelude, non-ABS, 2.2, nice. Oh man, that sound is a good sound, guys. It's been freaking cold lately. I'm about to take off this wheel, jack the car up. I'm gonna do this first. As you can really, like, if you look down at it, you really can't tell, but it's just barely towed out. And then the front, I don't know. Some damn good fitment though, I'll tell you that. Look at that. Some proper fitment. Get on my level, guys, alright? Okay, so it definitely looks straighter. By a little bit anyway, which is, you know, a step in the right direction. Boom, got the front of the car in the air, wheel off, axle knocked in a little bit. Now I just need my 17 and actually I think I need a 19 as well. There's a 19 somewhere over here, right here. Mint. So 17, 19, and I think the bottom's 22, but a 7/8 works as well. If you have an aftermarket lower ball joint, obviously, you know, this could differ. This is what I'm worried about. Let's check this out. So my ball joint isn't bad. Yeah, so the ball joint isn't bad. So I'm not gonna replace that because it's a huge pain in the ass. And yeah, I think sometime before spring I'll just freshen everything up, you know, new tie rods in and outer, stuff like that. But you know, when it's a little warmer and more bearable to work. But in any case, this axle is clicking like a bitch and she's gotta go. Here we go. Yeah, I'm gonna jack the car up to an extreme angle so all the oil doesn't come out of the transmission and replace this axle. Okay, so just do that. Just do that. There we go. I mean, shit still might come out of there a little bit, so I'm gonna have to do this fast. And I'm gonna put a drain pan underneath there and some light underneath there so you guys can see that in real time. So basically, what you have is a little C-clip right here. And some transmissions are more of a bitch than others. I've never had a problem with it, but just be mindful that that does have to pop out for you to be able to get this axle out, you know, easily. So, without further ado, I'm gonna pop this out, pull it out with extravagant and violent force, and shove this other mother in. And hope I don't lose all my training fluid. So I just, oh, I can hear it's already leaking. It's already leaking. So just take that, pop it out. Oh, we're good. Kind of. Old one out. No, we're not. New one in. Get in there. Get in there. Done. That wasn't so bad. We didn't lose too much. And always, when you're done with that shit, give it a little tap. Make sure it's all the way in there. It's all the way in there. Pretty much, you'll notice if it's all the way in, it's going to stop leaking. So, yeah, here's the puddle that we've accumulated. Not freaking bad, guys. Not freaking bad. Right. New one. For some reason, the axle that was on it was a 32, which is like a Civic nut. But anyways, it's the right axle. It fits in. Everything's all good. So just go ahead and throw this back together. Whew. Okay. Things I got done here. Let me just show you. So drain the oil. Obviously, there's some on the. Luckily, it was only on the cardboard. Notice that my oil sensor thingy wire must have broken at some point. You know, like right now, pretty much. And I got the new sensor in there. The old one's right there. So we should have oil pressure readings. Hooray. Right, so we're just going to put this wheel back on. Lower this dang thing. And fill this thing up with some oil. And I think today's little maintenance thing, whatever you want to call it. Don't even know what I'm going to title the video. Oh yeah, by the way, I just put a little paint on my shit, but yeah, no cracks. A lot of people were like, hey, yeah, it's dangerous, you're gonna go off the road. Well, I haven't, and not even remotely a sign of cracking. So yeah, mod your knuckles, guys. Rides a lot better than with them not modded. So with that good old 15W40, same shit I put in the damn 7.3, takes forever to get through this funnel. This dude is shot. This dude has no muffler.
It's run like shit, bro.
It runs like shit?
Yeah.
Why?
Camshaft position sensor. I put new one. I clear the light. Come right back.
Is there two?
Don't know.
Maybe it's the crank position sensor, since they're both called a CPS. I don't know.
No, bro. I have no idea. I'm getting PO340.
You're getting PO'd.
Yeah, bro. It has absolutely no fucking power, bro. I can't go like below.
So 180, dude. These things barely go 100.
No, bro.
It's a fuel economy.
No,
you
bro.
Get yourself a damn H22.
Go take it for a drive. Tell me if it's supposed to drive like that.
Yeah, it's not like a heavier Jetta. It's the same engine, you know?
It's not supposed to drive like that at all. I already know. I know.
Where the hell is my oil cap, bro? I need gas in this like now. Okay, so for the first time, I know the friggin' oil pressure in this engine. Can't say the same for my my wideband sensor. Nah, it's definitely not at 9.8 right now, I'll tell you that, but we're at, it says 14 PSI, but those things read low. It's all good. But the cold start was at like 70. For a minute, we're gonna go fill this thing up because I need freaking gas bad. Hey, what up? It's me 3 days later. Yeah, I don't have very much to do, but I figured I could just add it onto this video because it's probably the last video you guys are gonna get before Christmas. I'm gonna try my best to get this thing up tonight so that it posts tomorrow. Tomorrow being Christmas Eve. So if anyone of you, for anyone who is celebrating, Merry Christmas, and anyone else that's just enjoying the day off, Happy Holidays. And I know I have some first responders that watch my videos. If you guys are working, God bless, and thank you for that, because I know it must suck having to work on Christmas and or Christmas Eve. I have something to show you from my good buddy Justin Miller, who I met on Facebook on the Prelude page that I'm in. And as you guys know, though they are insanely dirty, these are my $1,500, $1,000, whatever, side skirts, Value Sport, very rare, super rare. Hell yeah, I'm dailying them in the winter with snow. Very nice. But these came with a badge back in the day that was like a little emblem that some people, you know, some of them came on the wing and they were like right here. Some people, I want to put mine like right here. I just kind of gave it away. So basically, Justin works at a laser place. I will leave the business in the description. So if you guys need any type of laser work, engraving, anything like that, if you guys have any ideas for emblems that you'd like to see made for your car, I was suggesting maybe a nicer version of the OEM, like Integra dual overhead cam VTEC, like badge, not a sticker, but a badge. Because I figured a lot of people would buy that because it'd be like a nice little accessory to have. But even the cards, check this out. I mean, you can't really, whatever. You can't really tell, but they're metal. They're like tin or something. This is like the coolest business card I've ever seen, dude. Like it's legit like metal. Anyways, without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys the two products that he sent me. How sick is that, dude? It's stainless steel, it's polished, laser engraved with the Value Sport logo. How sick is that? And it has that like brushed look. I don't really know what to call that, but dude, I am blown away by the quality of this. Justin, if you are watching, thank you, and I hope that you get many, many more business because of your awesome work. So I have this one here, and then he sent me two of the acrylic. These are obviously cheaper because they're acrylic. In my opinion, these are equally as dope. Now this is acrylic. They are laser engraved in the back, so the front stays shiny, and this is something you'd put on like a black background. Like let me, or even, yeah, even on the red you could see real nice, and on a black background it would look like that. So yeah, just wanted to share that with you guys. Huge shout out to Justin at Laurel Highlands, and if you guys need any type of laser work done, or if you have any ideas for emblems you'd like made in laser, like anything he could do like this. If you guys have any rare parts that they don't make emblems for and you have a picture of it, and or you have a broken emblem and you can measure it and send them the dimensions, or send me the dimensions and I'll get in contact with him. Either way, if there's a demand, I'm sure he will meet it. So hit him up, link in the description. I just wanted to show you guys that stuff. Anyways, Tyler's freaking car is finally done drying. He has a missing lug stud on this side, and I'm trying to hit that out for him and put the new one in.
Fucking Damian. What's he doing? Oh, blood.
Where are those fucking...
What happened?
Oh. I gotta show you the shit, dude.
Ooh, no jack stand. Ooh.
It's okay, my foot no underneath, no problem.
What the fuck are you doing?
Trying to replace lug studs. Apparently it's easier than on a Prelude on these things because there's nothing behind it once you get the rotor off. So shout out to Ronnie and his fancy impact screwdriver for bugging out right here because, yeah. Who puts screws in the rotors, you know? Who the hell does that fancy shit? Anyways. This is much easier than the front of a Prelude, I might I add, is what I meant to say. Piss off. Piss off. Mint. Easy shit.
Oh, I was gonna hook you up so you didn't even have to swing.
After you heard the ping, ping, ping. Alright, that shit done. That shit done, bro. Feel me? That shit is done. Subaru. You guys are couple goals, eh?
No, not at all. This was not planned.
Yeah, right.
It was not planned.
Silver Rexes.
All we wanted was some beaters for the winter.
Yeah, this one ended up fully built, and the other one ended up crashed but kept.
Oh well.
Anyone want to buy a Subaru? Alright, well, just went to Walmart with Ronnie, had to get some presents and whatnot for, well, like stocking stuffers for his girl, and I needed wrapping paper because I'm a guy. I don't just have that at my disposal, so I don't even think this is Christmas, but you know, it's blue and stripes, so blue and stripes probably good, right guys? Yeah. So, I get to wrap Callie's present. That's the end of the video. Did way too much talking. But like I said, again, anyone who's celebrating Christmas, hope you guys have a great time. Anyone else, hope you enjoy the day off. If you don't have the day off, and if you don't have the day off, I don't know. I hope you have a good day at the very least. But I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.